Assalamualaikum and good morning Wan Mutiara. How are you today? Apa khabar hari ini? I hope that you are good and fine. Okay, semoga sihat dan bersemangat untuk belajar bahasa Inggeris. Okay, so today is Monday. 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 Monday is name. 24th May 2021, 24 hari bulan 5 tahun 2021. English One Mutiara. Okay. Okay, so today we want to look at we want to use your textbook. Okay, nak guna buku teks. Okay, page 34 muka surat 34. Okay. Like this. Page 34. Okay, the title is Pet Show. Okay, tak nampak sangat P-E-T, Pet. S-H, kejap saya Pet Show. Kejap, saya adjust sikit. Pet Show. Okay, nampak. P-E-T, Pet. Pet. S-H-O-W, Show. Show. Pet Show. Pet Show. Pet Show. Okay. Pet ni adalah haiwan peliharaan. Okay. Show is pertunjukan. Okay. So basically kita nak belajar tentang haiwan lah. Unit 3 ni this is about animals. Animals haiwan. So look at this. Ada berapa animals ni? Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 8 animals. Ada 8 haiwan. So today we will learn how to read. Kita nak belajar membaca. Okay, membaca. Okay, so after this you have to record your voice and WhatsApp to me. Okay, record bacaan murid-murid dan WhatsApp kepada saya. Tak perlu hari ini tak perlu menulis. Hari ini tak ada latihan menulis. Latihan hari ini adalah mendengar dan membaca. Okay, listening and reading. Okay, so number 1, E L E P H A N T, elephant. 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 Elephant, gajah. Okay. So number 1, elephant. So nanti murid dia perlu eja. E L E P H A N T, elephant, gajah. Okay, record and hantar. Okay, number 2. Where is number 2? Okay. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Rat, tikus. Okay, number 3. L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard, cicak. Ataupun keluarga cicak. Okay. Number 4, F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Okay, katak. Okay, number 5, S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. Then number 6. Okay, spider, labah-labah. Labah-labah. Number 6. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Itik. Number 7. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay, dog, anjing. Okay, last, number 8. A T, cat. C A T, cat. Cat, kucing. Okay, ulang balik. Number one, elephant. Elephant, gajah. Number two, rat. Rat, tikus. Number three, lizard. Lizard, cicak. Number four, frog. Frog, katak. Number five, spider. Spider, labah-labah. Number six, duck. Duck, itik. Number seven, dog. Dog, anjing. Number eight, cat. Cat, kucing. Okay, so today's homework, kerja hari ini, record your voice. Sila record bacaan murid-murid. Okay, sebab latihan membaca ni sama penting dengan menulis. Ya, so murid perlu pandai menyebut dan membaca juga, bukan sekadar menulis. So I hope that everyone can do this. Boleh jawab jika jika sibuk. Jika mak ayah sibuk, boleh hantar petang-petang atau malam nanti, no problem. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.